Okay, tools ready, gloves on, bit big, but they'll be fine. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to my vlog. This is a bit different. This is a different project. Have a look at this. This is Pete's garden. Now my partner, he's used to live quite a way away. He's now moved into Herefordshire, and this is a massive project. I'm going to be kind of working on this with him. I've absolutely fallen in love with gardening, and it's just the best thing ever. What I like about it is that you just feel so fit. You're outside. I'm going to be doing a few more things about fitness as well, by the way, but you're outside. Why would you go to the gym when you can be outside? And it's surprising how many muscles digging and goodness knows what, and pulling up plants and chopping and stuff. It's surprising how many muscles it uses, believe me, but it is awesome. So let me just show you this before we get on to the raised bed topic, which is something that I'm quite interested in and want to kind of tell you about. Look at this beautiful lily. Awesome. So Pete's garden sort of goes over to there and sort of round to here. Now, it's hard to believe, but when we first came it was very overgrown, and this part here, it hadn't been touched for probably about a year or so. This was all over here. You could touch the plants sort of around here, so that's all been cut back. And these, and then you go down this pathway. This pathway you couldn't actually see before we started, and we uncovered a really lovely seating area, which is awesome, and that's going to be so nice, and the sun gets down to here even in late afternoon, so that's really lovely. Down here, this is the raised bed. I'm going to come back to that very shortly, but that you couldn't see. There was some kind of root in there, but I don't know what it was. But I'm not brilliant with plants yet. I'm getting there. All of this you couldn't see, and we did a lot of work on this. There's all like little nooks and crevices and things, and look, you can see through. And okay, along here, look what we found. This was hidden under some ivy, so we chopped all the ivy down and got this ornament, which is now at the moment a really nice bird table, or a suitable bird table for the time being. Another plant there, tree, shrub, that was way overgrown. I'm going to be working on this part over this weekend, so I'll show you what that's like at the end. This part has all been now cleared. That needs to be burnt. And look here, I thought that this kind of just continued through, but there's actually the bottom step. Now when I say step, I mean because up here is a pathway. You can't actually see it, or can't see the pathway, but you know it's there because of the railing. So there is a pathway coming down here, and possibly that might be cleared by the weekend. This is cool. I've cleared this part. This you couldn't see kind of at all. There's a little bird in here. There's a little female blackbird that kind of comes in and out and sort of goes from there, and it kind of lives in this little hedge. I say big hedge. It kind of lives there. I'll try and film her because she's getting quite tame actually. And then if you go along here through these beautiful ferns, some more plants, no idea what they are, but up here, look at this. I know that's a clematis, and that's absolutely beautiful, and that's over a really lovely archway. And then here are these beautiful lilies as well. So yeah, that is the garden that I'm going to be doing a bit of work on with Pete and his son, and we're going to be doing some work on this over the next few months. So if you do want to see how this progresses, please do subscribe. That would be awesome to have you on board. Can you see that? So my first job is to try and get rid of these teasley things, and kind of get some light into here and chop back some of this. So that's my first job. Look at this. In here is a pot, a beautiful pot with a fantastic shrub, I guess, in it. Let me show you, have a look at this. This is awesome. You just keep finding things and you just have no idea they were there. Look at this. So I've just been chopping this back, and under these things, look at this. There was a lovely pot. Okay, that's what I've cleared so far. Found another pot. Very nice, with some kind of plant in it. No idea what, but that's getting there now. I've got to clear that part, saving all of these bulbs, which will be really cool. So along here, all of that, hopefully by the time I've finished, will be out of the ground. We now have absolutely loads of bulbs, and they will eventually turn into this beautiful plant. They are really nice, just that we have lots of them, lots and lots and lots of them. And there's another load. All of those, the same as well. This is going to take a while. I'll get back to you when I've sorted it. Let's find a tiny baby snail. I'll put him somewhere safe. Okay, that's a lot better. You can see that. I'm going to try and dig out those roots, which are quite massive. But I'll have a go and get that as clear as possible. So this is all of the area now. It looks a lot better and it looks a lot bigger. And what you can see now is that that's tiered, then that goes down another tier. Just got to do this little corner now, and then this bit's done, and then get out that root, which is going to take a bit of doing. I might ask Pete to do that bit. So that's it for today, guys. Vlog 1 of the garden completed. This is the end result. The pot that I found has been moved there. We've got 5 pots there of bulbs, and all of that is now done, and that bed and that bed. So yeah, not a bad result. Tomorrow, watch out, more to do.